Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Joy Stephen from Polensis, and I'm here in beautiful Montreal in front of the Notre Dame Basilica. Notre Dame, the small original chapel, was first operated by the Jesuits. Its construction in Baroque style was completed between 1672 and 1683. Today we are going to talk about the Quebec Experience Class PEQ. If you have lived in Quebec as a student or on a work permit, you become eligible to apply for permanent residence under the Quebec Experience Class, commonly referred to as PEQ. There are two programs under PEQ, or the Quebec Experience Class. One is for international students studying in the province of Quebec, and the other is for people with work experience in Quebec. Like every other province in Canada, immigration to Quebec is a two-step process. The first step is to apply to the province and obtain a Quebec Selection Certificate, or CSQ, and the second step is to obtain a permanent resident visa from the federal government based on the CSQ of the province of Quebec. Quebec has a very unique and independent immigration process. International students in Quebec. Now, foreign students in Quebec will be eligible to apply under this program if they meet the following requirements. The student must have obtained a degree or diploma from an educational institution recognized by the Quebec Ministry of Education within the past 36 months. The student must have studied in Quebec at least 1,800 hours, that is for 2 years, and the student must show that he or she has sufficiently completed an advanced intermediate French course at a Quebec educational institution if his or her studies were not completed in French, or prove French ability by way of a standardized language test recognized by the government of Quebec. There are several language tests approved by the Quebec Immigration Department, and they are TEF, TEFAQ, TCF, TCFQ, and DELF or DALF. Here is a comparison chart for three of the major French courses in Quebec: TEF, TEFAQ, TCF, TCFQ, and DELF, DALF. Please review this chart. Now, temporary foreign workers or residents in Quebec on a work permit. Temporary foreign workers in Quebec will be eligible to apply under this program if they meet the following requirements: have 12 months of work experience in Quebec as a skilled, managerial, or professional occupation in the 24 months prior to submission of the application. The worker must be employed and show legal status in Quebec at the time of his or her application and must comply with the language requirements. His or her studies in Quebec must have been completed in French, or show that he or she has successfully completed an advanced intermediate level French course at a Quebec educational institution, or prove French ability by way of a standardized language test recognized by the government of Quebec, or he or she can show that he or she has satisfied the French language requirement of the professional order governing his or her occupation in Quebec. Processing time for the PEQ, according to the Quebec immigration authorities, should take less than a month. This is because of the priority status offered for PEQ processing. Applicants must be prepared for delayed processing for incomplete applications. Again, like every other province in Canada, immigration to Quebec is a two-step process. The first step is to apply for the province to obtain a Quebec Selection Certificate, or CSQ, and the second step is to obtain a permanent resident visa from the federal government based on the CSQ of the province. Quebec has a very unique and independent immigration process. I am not a Quebec council, however, When you sign up with Paulinsis, you will be represented by a high-profile Quebec authorized representative authorized by the government of Quebec to represent you. Thank you for watching this video. Please attend free immigration seminars at the Paulinsis Montreal location, and you can check this out at www.quebeci.com/event, or you may call Paulinsis at 514-448-4681. Good luck to all international students and temporary residents in Quebec. This is Joy Stephen signing off. Thank you.